How to change app icon color on iPhone. Want to change the color and appearance of your app icons on your iPhone? Here's how. First, tap and hold an empty area on your home screen until the apps start to jiggle. Then tap Edit at the top and select Customize. At the bottom, you'll see several options for changing your app icons. Default keeps the normal appearance. Dark gives your icons a darker look, while Auto automatically switches between light and dark based on your iPhone's appearance settings. You can also choose Clear for a more transparent look, or select Tinted to choose a custom color. Adjust the tint until you get the look you want. Also, you can change the size of your app icons from this menu. Choose the larger icon option to remove the app names and make the icons bigger. Keep in mind that these changes apply to all supported app icons at once, rather than individual apps. If you want to restore the original appearance, tap and hold the home screen again, go to Edit, then Customize, and select Default. That's how you can change the app icon color and appearance on your iPhone. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials.